The square of an integer is called a perfect square. For example, 49 is a perfect square because 7 squared equals 49. When a radicand is not a perfect square, you can estimate the square root of the radicand. So here is an example. Lobster eyes are made of tiny square regions. Under a microscope, the surface of the eye looks like graph paper. A scientist measures the area of one of the squares to be 386 square microns. What is the approximate side length of the square to the nearest micron? So, like I said before, when dealing with square root, we're looking at area of a square. So this is the entire area. And I want to know my side length because side squared gives me this 386. So they let us know that the closest perfect square, the perfect squares closest to 386 are 361 and 400. So 19 squared is 361 and 20 squared is 400. And 386 is right in between there. And so if I put this actually in my calculator, I get 386. Square root of that is 19, about 19.6. So we can say 19.6. So the square root of 386 is around 19.6. Let's look at problem 2. It says, what is the value of the square root of 34? So the square root of 34, I know numbers that are closest to it are square root of 36, which is 6, and the square root of 25, which is 5. So this number is going to be really close to 6. So it's going to be 5 point something but close to 6. So I can actually put it in my calculator, and I get 5.8. So that is really close. So this is about 5.8. I hope this helps.